Now to the weather with Tabarak Jrood. It was nice to sit in a small patch of sun today and read a book. It's been so cold.
Yeah, we did enjoy some lovely pockets of sunshine today, Pamela, and we've got a few more days to enjoy the warmth and sunny conditions, luckily, before we're stuck indoors again this weekend. Today, the city reached a maximum of 16.4 degrees just after 2 p.m, after dropping to a cooler low of 4.8 degrees just before 1 a.m. Nearby, Jandakot dropped to a freezing 0-degree minimum overnight, the coldest in the state, along with Warburton in the interior. Not far behind was Perth Airport, which dropped to 0.5 degrees. We also saw some milder temperatures across the Pilbara. Some towns didn't even get to 20 degrees today, while up in the Kimberley, maximums pushed into the 30s, the highest temperature being 33 degrees at Wyndham Airport and Columbaroo. On the satellite, we have some speckled low-level cloud along the western and southern coastline of the state, where we saw some more falls overnight and into today. The heavier totals were recorded along the Albany coast. Bremer Bay picked up just over 56 millimetres in the 24 hours to 9 a.m. We could also see some lingering showers further east tomorrow, but otherwise conditions will be mostly dry and sunny, with the state still under the influence of a broad ridge of high pressure. Now, that ridge will dominate the weather until Friday before our next cold front moves through over the weekend. Taking a look around the country tomorrow, partly cloudy conditions for Melbourne and Brisbane, rain in Sydney, possible shower and a top of 13 in Hobart, and only getting to 12 degrees in Canberra. Back home, warm and dry across the Kimberley again, milder temperatures through the Pilbara region, Newman only getting to 19, even cooler for the Gascoyne region, a top of 15 for Coolgardie. And still a bit of cloud around for central parts of the state tomorrow. That's going to keep temperatures quite cool in the mid to high teens. Light showers possible for eastern parts of the wheat belt and the southern goldfields, as well as over the southeast coast and the Euclid district, but only a millimetre or two expected. Morning fog also possible across the southwest land division, but staying dry and partly cloudy during the day, with maximums on an increasing trend, 16 degrees in Margaret River, 18 at Bremer Bay. For Perth, partly cloudy conditions forecast tomorrow and the chance of morning fog. It will also be a little bit warmer, with a forecast top of 18 degrees after a cold start, dropping to 5. On local waters, winds will be southeasterly 10 to 15 knots, turning east to northeasterly and becoming variable with seas below 1 metre. Sunrise will be at 7:07 and sunset at 21 minutes to 6. And then looking ahead, lovely sunny conditions forecast for Thursday, sunny at 21 on Friday. So make sure you make the most out of that weather, because we're in for another strong downpour on Saturday, up to 30 millimetres possible, continuing into Sunday, Pamela.
Thanks for that, Tabarak. That's ABC News for now. We'll be back with you tomorrow. In the meantime, you can stay up to date with ABC News Online. Stay with us now, though, for 7:30. Good night.